be. Let's hit refresh on this. Still giving me a bit of issue. Not, there we go. Now it looks like it's finally started. So I am going to be doing Spark on ARM on Kubernetes. Very excited for that. Took me a little bit longer to get started today than I thought I would. Spark on K8s Adventures. We're gonna see how it goes. I don't know for sure, one way or the other. I'm hoping it worked, and part of why I'm hoping it worked is I did some changes to Spark to, in theory, make it work. And I'm gonna start with the Spark 3 release, or the latest Spark release. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay. Just realized something. The thing that I just realized that I haven't done yet on this machine is get the kubectl credentials copied over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly. Or get the Kubernetes configuration. So there's instructions for that here. And so I was looking at this other day, and so I don't want to overwrite this. I don't want to overwrite my kubeconfig because I have other Kubernetes things that I actually talk to. So here we go. But this is the thing that I wanted. There's the thing where it tells me /etc. No? No, this isn't quite what I wanted. Oh yeah, this is Rancher. I want K3s. And then we go into cluster access. Right, there we go. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to copy that to here. Ooh, oh wait, yeah. Okay. Cool. Then I'm going to start an Emacs, and I'm going to do this off screen because there's probably going to be some credentials in that I just don't want to deal with hiding because I'm lazy. Cool. Then we go into context. Okay. Context, that's great. Yes. 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 Cool. And we're going to go ahead and find the users section. Great. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works. kubectl get all namespaces. Cool. Looks like it's working. That's pretty solid. I'm pretty excited. So it looks like I can talk to my cluster now from my desktop. That's the good part. The next part that we're going to do is we are going to go on an adventure to download Spark. And the reason I'm downloading it is I don't want to have to build Spark from source because that can take a while, to say politely. Yeah, Hadoop 2.7 is fine. That's fine. Sure, that's okay. Yeah, that looks like that mirror is pretty close. Bye, great. 301. Cool. So it should all be pre-built, and the thing that I'm going to do, Docker image tool, lovely. Just realized I don't actually know if I have an account set up. Probably do. Let's go to Docker Hub and see if I do. Sign in. Okay, it's a good sign. LastPass seems to remember me. Okay, cool. And it looks like it looks like I do. And so I have this Spark multi-arch. Last published never. Okay, interesting. But that'll be what I do. So actually, let's see. Do I have? Okay, it looks like I have Docker Buildex installed on this machine, so that's good. Because Buildex is this tool to cross-build Docker. It's an experimental feature, but it lets you cross-build images for a bunch of different architectures. And I added support for that to the Docker scripts, and so that is what we are going to try. Although I do also want to build the Python one. Because I find PySpark is I find PySpark is easier, especially for just like little experimental stuff, which is going to be what we're doing today. And so I've already set up this machine to be able to build, what's it called? So I already have the tool chain. I have cameo for ARM installed, so I can run ARM binaries on this machine, even though it's an x86 machine. So we're going to see if this works. I'm going to hope it works. And so it's installing everything. That's fine. For value of fine, which are sort of fine. Well, let's see here. Okay. So I guess I forgot that building the Spark Docker images involves installing a lot of like crap. So it looks like I have Docker Buildex installed, but I haven't used it? I don't know. What does... Okay. I guess let's just pick super... Let's do it again and see what happens. Actually, while this is going, I guess let's check. Is this... Wait, okay. Okay, AMD 64, that one's going fine. Okay, ARM 64. Oh, okay, yeah, this isn't my repo, sorry. We replace my repo with, Spark multi-arch? Sure. Yeah, it does. And this is actually version 3.0.1. Okay. Okay. So I said this was set up, and I guess the cameo part is set up, but the Docker part is not set up. So we'll get to go down that adventure together. I would. Okay. I guess we'll use Docker Buildex create, and we'll add ARM64 to the list. And okay. Let's do this first. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. And now I suppose let's okay, I guess now we'll use my build. This is okay. Okay. Huh. That doesn't sound good. Oh, that's using a different node. Okay, got you. God damn it. Yes, yes, yes. No, I would like to use the cameo version. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and prune, because I don't know what's going on. Yes. Okay, solid. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try RM. Okay. Cool. So let's find Docker Buildex cameo. I have. Right. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and find this. I'm pretty sure I have cameo. ARM. Sounds good. Something. Pretty sure I have all of that. Oh yeah, okay. Never hurts to double check though. Really? No, this does not seem like this is how I build. Okay. Docker buildex cameo. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. What version of the kernel do I have? 4.15. Great. Okay, just double check the version. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Pretty sure this is mounted. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, okay. That's good. Yes, great. Fine. Okay, everything's solid. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I think this is fine. So. Okay. So now we will go ahead and we'll create this. I have Buildex installed. Oh no. Okay. Great. Fine. We'll use this, and now let's figure out what we support. AMD 64 and 386. God damn it. Okay. Okay. So ostensibly this is not working because I do not have it's one of the pieces of software, but we just ran through all of this. So okay. Well, this very high quality shell script, which we will definitely for sure hope doesn't do anything evil. Let's take a look. Looks fine. Okay. Sure. Run it. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is because I was doing Buildex, but sure. This is the magic. It's not registered with this whatever thingy, which I don't really know what the F flag does, but okay, cool. Sounds good. Oh. No. Oh yeah, okay. I remember. Oh. Where is this getting? Damn it. Everything I thought was going to be hella simple, but maybe not. Okay. So... Okay. Okay. What happens if we search for this? No idea. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we remove it, yes, and then reinstall it. Huh, okay. What? I already have fairly recent all of these things, so where is the -be coming from? I guess this is my question. So let's go ahead. We'll run this for file in. Okay, yeah. So let's go take a look. Okay, I have an idea. We're going to... Damn it, I don't know why I keep typing uninstall instead of remove. Yes. Okay. Cache, search, aptitude, search, cameo. What else do I have installed? Okay. Reinstall cameo. New system. And specifically yeah, this one is one that I care about. Okay. Huh. Interesting. I do not know. But, yeah, let's give it a shot. Worst case scenario, we swap it back. It's a party. Okay. Oh. Bin format to me is, I don't really get this. Yes. So it's loaded with that. Pretty sure. Okay, Docker, Linux kernel, yeah. Okay, but cameo user static conflicts. I'm super confused. Okay, that no longer exists. Yeah. But okay, let's go. Okay, and no dice. Okay. So, because right, this says to install this. And that is, you can install this, but it's, I don't super understand. That's okay. Really, the only one that I care about is so here's what we're going to do. There's a thing where it's going to list the bin formats, right? And instead, for file dash, I think, right? Or something like this. Maybe it's this thing. So, because I don't really care about building this for MIPS today. Okay. Let's go ahead. This does not look like it's going to work. Update bin formats. Find dash. Okay. I want to. And I don't want to test, I guess. Don't know why this is not working. Okay, this is fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Docker Buildex create my builder 3. Okay. Still, only AMD 64. This is okay. Docker cameo arm. This is what I want. Yeah. Okay, so what happens if I go? Oh, this is probably okay. Yeah. All of those are installed. Great. We will run this. Yeah. Okay. Sounds fine. Let's see. And we'll fetch this, download the image. Okay, so I can totally run this. I can run run an ARM image. This is fine. So why is Docker Buildex not doing its thing? And I go ahead, inspect it. Ah! It is working! Okay. Fine. I just have to reinstall that. Everything is fine. I hope. Okay. Let's try and build this again and see if this thing works. This looks a little bit more promising. Because there's this is looking good because we're doing the ARM64 and the AMD 64 builds right now, so that's good. Yeah, I dropped my mouse on the floor. That's fine. Okay. Okay, except failed. Okay. Probably because I've not logged in. Oh, probably because that is not me. This is me. Okay, right, I think. Probably yes. Holding K. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Most of this is cached. Great. Okay. I guess. Okay. Right. Do not know what my password is, but that's okay. We have LastPass. Okay. Great. Login succeeded. Run it again. Okay. Okay. Maybe this is just what I needed to do. It's cached, it's fine. Okay. So I have to build the base image first, I think. So now we'll go ahead and we will do, instead of dash x, right, I think, we want to say this. Ooh, who knows? Okay. Okay. Now we go ahead, we go push. Wait, I did build. You said this was fine. Now I go ahead and I go push. And you say image not found. I'm confused. Because you say you tag this, yeah? There's something wrong with our image script because it says not found, but it clearly was found. So I don't know what's going on with that. That's okay. That happens. What keyboard do I use? It's pink. This is my keyboard. I think I got it on Amazon. It was kind of cheap. You can look it up, maybe. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. This is the keyboard that I use. Okay, cool. So that's pushed. Now let's go ahead. We'll go back to Buildex. Or sorry. So I hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm running a little low on ideas. Let's see. I think I vaguely remember this being a thing where I'd build it and push it first so that I could get the metadata, and I don't really remember why. It was one of those things where it's like, oh, I have to do this, and it's kind of weird, and so, but it was less work to just do it. At the time, so I never bothered to figure out what was going on. But it's looking like it's doing okay. So let's hope this does the trick. Let's hope this does the trick. Okay, well, it's taking longer. It's normally a good sign, because at the very least it means we're getting later for it to fail, and that's promising. That's promising. Yeah. Can I delete this? Because I think I remember. Maybe under settings. Yeah. Yes. Cool. Great. Because yeah, I'm just going to push to just these repos in of themselves, and we can see. I think in the past there was a point when I did, yes, push an ARM64 image. It was built from a random commit hash because that's when I was adding that to our build scripts. But I think I was probably doing that on my work computer, as we can see from all the setup stuff that I had to do to get it to work this time on this computer. And that is a-okay. Let's go ahead, we're gonna run. Yeah, okay, that is not super surprising. OBS, Chrome, and pip are all hanging out and having a lot of fun with my CPU. That makes sense. We're also going to see the AMD64 one finish first, probably. I don't know. Yeah, it's going to take a little while. Cool. Copying. Yeah, okay, so we're still setting up a bunch of packages. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, okay, cool. It looks like it finished. So that's exciting. Let's hope that it succeeded. Let's go ahead and take a look, refresh. So, oh, it's just still just says AMD 64. Really? Are we sure it's just AMD 64? Let's rerun the Docker push. Docker image tool. Docker Buildex image tool. Okay. Inspect. So, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. No output specified for a Docker container driver. Build result will only remain on local cache. Push result image. Okay. Buildex. Yes, let's try try this. Okay, let's go ahead and do it once again. This time we're going to tell it to push as it builds. What does invalid none? I don't. Okay, this looks like it's a fairly recent issue. How do I want to just, I don't want to watch the repo. Ah, subscribe, yeah. Yeah, the professor continues to grow. Is this, I don't. AMD 64, ARM 64. Okay, looking solid. So I think we should have it, and now we're building the Python image. Let's go ahead and take a look at my images. Yes, this repository contains 2 tags. Ooh, looking promising. Looking promising. Finally! Fuck yeah! Okay. That gives me a thing to add, though, to the Spark Jira. It's not expecting. Okay. Call it a bug, sure. Yeah, why not? Docker buildex now requires -- push. Trivial component build effects 301, 300, 310. Okay. Buildex command has been updated and now requires push to be added to images pushed. Cool. This can be done by yeah. To fix this, please add it. Let's go ahead. In docker image tool.sh. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assign myself as the shepherd. Sure. There's a place for tags somewhere, right? Labels, okay. Starter. Yeah. I think this is a great first issue if someone wants to jump on it. Yeah, and like I've done a quick little like poke here, so I'm pretty sure I know what the fix looks like, but like I haven't had like the chance to make a proper patch, so it would be good if someone else you know, who had the time did that. This is going to take a while though, because it's going to be installing a bunch of Python stuff and pip installing some stuff, so that's cool and all, but you know, let's not bother waiting. I would like to finish, so what we're going to do Ooh, actually, we're probably going to need to make a service account and a namespace and a bunch of other things. Okay. Okay. kubectl create namespace Golden Spark test. Okay. kubectl create service account Golden Spark test namespace Golden Spark test. Okay. Spark role binding. I never remember. So I think they use cluster role binding, but we're not going to use a cluster role binding because we don't need that. We're just going to use a role binding. Role binding. Okay. I wonder if this will work. Service. Oh, there's no dash in service account. Okay. Okay, cool. So Spark submit. Actually, yes, let's do. I don't actually know what port that is on. kubectl show master port. I don't know. Because I don't think it's on port 443. It might be, actually, for all I know. I don't know if this is going to show credentials or not, so I'm going to go ahead and do this in another window. Ideally, not one that's on my screen. Damn it. There we go. Which, of course, now it's back to. Okay, cool. Except it didn't. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that shows credentials. Okay, cool. Well, that's good to know. The hard way, or well, not the hard way, but that's fine. Okay. Oh. Okay, no, it doesn't. It just says data omitted. That's fine. That's great. Okay. So that's cool. So we can see that it's 6443. I haven't set up a proper test job, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use we're gonna use the example jar just because I want to get this thing done. That's fine. I can go Spark opt grep resource Kubernetes. Ooh. somewhere in here. Okay, yeah. Here we go. It's like the Spark example jar. I don't remember what it's called. Oh. Probably this. Cool. And we're gonna run the Spark Pi one because it's pretty basic. Of course, not actually inside of Spark. Okay, and it's Apache. So okay. Ah, god damn it. Yes, I would like to continue. Yes. Okay. Okay, now I can never remember how to submit a Spark job, so that's great. There we go. Ooh, just probably need to put that near the back. It's okay. And we're gonna go with K Spark 301. I guess. That sounds right. And we're gonna want to set the namespace. Okay. Namespace. Cool. And service account. And we're gonna go probably weird. Okay. Cool. What was the error message? Ah, missing application resource. Yeah, that makes sense. Because this is the application resource. Cool. Okay, pretty solid. Oh, except, yeah, okay. Cluster, I think. Spark. There's like a cluster. Is it like dash deploy mode? Okay. So, deploy mode. Cool. Yee. Okay. No idea. What if I just put in the IP address? Then maybe you'll be a little less picky. 1.103. Okay. Failed to start WebSocket. Oh, it's 102. Well, that could explain why we failed to start the WebSocket. Okay. Okay. No route to host. Oh, right, because it's not .1. It's 3. Because my Kubernetes network is on a separate subnet. Lovely. Okay. Good, good. Good. Okay. Oh, that's pretty great. I wasn't actually expecting this to work. It's probably going to fail, but that's okay. No, it looks like it's working. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, getting the block manager. Do we have any executors? We've got executors maybe coming up. Okay. Okay, and then okay. It's coming up. This actually looks like it's working, maybe? That part is kind of weird, but very exciting. Very exciting. Okay, cool. And it totally worked. That was a bit of a pain in the ass. And to be fair, that was also, you know, that was Java, it wasn't Python. But it did work. Let's quickly do this with Python though, as well, because that's, you know, kind of the point in theory and comparing a bunch of things at some point for how we do this stuff in Python. So we're gonna pick Spark Pi, and I'm regretting deleting that thing that I just deleted. Okay. And it is going to be let me just double check. Oh no, okay. Cluster resource manager is Kubernetes, Python. Okay, yeah, it is src main Python. Okay, so that's cool. Everything worked great. src main Python, and we are going to go ahead and we're going to just try and run the Pi example, everyone's favorite. That might work. Let's find out. Okay. Cool. Container creating. We're going to go ahead and get the logs. Okay, it's still waiting. It's fine. For the container to come up. Great, great. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at one of the executors logs, because that is, it's always good to make sure the executors are actually working. Okay. I wish with -f it would just wait for the container to exist, because I really, to me it's obvious if I specify -f, like I just want the information once it becomes available. Okay, this looks like it's starting, it's fine. Yeah. Starting a block store, runs a task. Okay, cool. So it works, and that's good. This isn't very, like, this is not like a thorough test. This is just like the getting it running experience. And as we can see, you know, it's still a little bit painful to get it running, but you know, once I got the cross building of the Docker images sorted out, things have been pretty simple. I guess that's probably a pretty solid stopping point for today, because I meant to do this in about an hour, and we're now at the 66-minute mark. Or what are we at, actually? 'Cause I don't know. It's been a while. Oh, hi, Jorn. We're gonna wrap up right now. But yeah, I think this was good. It's a solid first start. Now, don't worry. I know that if you look at one of my past live streams, you might have seen me like trying to make another system fail, and of course succeeding at that, because one of my early jobs was in QA, and so also I've worked in distributed systems for long enough that I have a pretty good idea of where to poke it to make it fall over. And I assure you that in future episodes of this, I will definitely make Spark on ARM on Kubernetes fail. But I wanted to get it working, kind of like the basics first. So we're going to wrap for the day. And I'm going to go and help Chris Nova, my girlfriend, set up her ARM cluster over at her house. She's not running Spark on it, but she's going to be doing some other stuff. I mean, she works on Kubernetes, so she'll probably be like playing around in the cluster level a lot more than I have been. I've been playing more at the application level. But with that being said, thanks for joining me. I'll do more of these. If you have things that you want to see in the future, let me know. Probably the easiest way is Twitter or in the YouTube comments. I do read them, at least I don't want to feel bad about myself, which is often not. Yeah, wait, where is it going before I got distracted by the internet? Right, yeah, let me know if you've got feedback. If there's things that you want to see in future episodes, let me know. I do have a plan where I'm kind of sort of trying to keep track of everything that I'm doing, but not very successfully. So thanks for spending some of your weekend with me. I hope that you're as safe as possible in whatever part of the world you're in. I know here in California, breathing's a little bit tricky right now, but we're working on that. So.